ಶ್ರೀ ಗುರುಭ್ಯೋ ನಮಃ. ಅಧ್ಯತನ ಪಂಚಾಂಗ ಶ್ರೀ ಪ್ಲವನಾಮ ಸಂವತ್ಸರ
அங்கண்மணியாலத்து அரசரவே மன பங்கமாய் வந்து பள்ளி கட்டில் கீழே சங்கமிருப்பவும் வந்த தலை பெய்தோ கிங்கிணி வாய் செய்த தாமரை பூ போலே செங்கல் சிறே சிறிதே எம்மேல் விழியாவோ திங்களும் ஆதித்யம் எல்லாரோலும் அங்கனிரண்டும் எங்கள் மேல் நோக்குதில் எங்கள் மேல் சாபம் இனிதெலோரெம்பவாய் எங்கள் மேல் சாபம் இனிதெலோரெம்பவாய்.
अखण्डमण्डलाकारं व्याप्तं येन चराचरं तत्पदं दर्शितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः. अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकय चक्षुरुन्मीलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः. वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुं. महेन्द्रो मलयः सह्यो देवतात्मा हिमालयः ध्येयो रैवतको विन्ध्यो गिरिश्चारावलिस्तथा. Namaste and Swagatam you to the 22nd day of Margadi Nonbe Margashira Masasya Vratam Katyayini Vratam. Yesterday's Pashuram, the 21st Pashuram, let us have a quick snippet on it and then continue. எத்த கலங்கள் எதிர் பொங்கி மீதளிப்ப மாத்தாதே பால் சொரியும் வள்ளல் பெரும் பசுக்கள் ஆத்தப்படைத்தான் மகனே அறிவுராய் ஊத்தமுடையாய் பெரியாய் உலகினில் தோத்தமாய் நின்ற சுடரே துயிலாய் மாத்தார் உனக்கு வலிதுளைந்துன் வாஷர்கண் ஆத்தாது வந்து உன்னடி பணியுமா போலே போத்தியாம் வந்தோம் புகழ்ந்து ஏலோர் எம்பாவாய். Starting from the 21st Pashuram, for the next 9 days till the 29th Pashuram, it is told it is a gold mine of the Sharanagati Tattva. One who can completely understand these 9 Pashurams can definitely do the Bhagavad Anusandhana in a better way in terms of Sharanagati Bhava. The pots kept for filling the milk are already overflowing, and the master, who is the owner of all those Unnata Gokula, or the one who holds the ownership of such a superior stock of cows. O Vasudeva, son of Vasudeva, you are the Ashrita Bhakta Vatsala. They are all tired, repeatedly getting defeated by you, and their bhava from enmity now it has turned towards the bhakti and the prema, from Krishna Vairatva towards Krishna Prema. So, how is this possible? From enmity towards love, or from Vairatva towards Krishna Prema? Because Paramatma is being so considerate, and he again and again says, the mistakes which have been done, it is about your Sharira, and your Atma is having no stains. Chakravartin Sri Ramachandra says, Sakradeva Prapannaya Tavasmiti Yachate Abhayam Sarva Bhutebhyo Dadami Yetat Vratam Mama. I owe Vibhishana those whoever come to me and ask for the Sharanagati or surrender themselves, I will without second doubt give the Sharanagati. And it doesn't stop here. Ramachandra continues to say, Yadiva Ravana Swayam. Even that is Ravana, I will definitely give the Sharanagati. And that's why in Kamba Ramayana, Kamba has very well exclaimed, Indra poi nalaiva. Go back today. I know Ravana, that you are completely wounded. That is okay. Go back home and come tomorrow. And come tomorrow with a fresh mind. And in case you surrender Sita to me, you will have the whole of the Rajya with you. But Ravana was a man of his words, and almost half of his Sainya, and he has also lost many of the Maharathis like Indrajit, and he was not in a case that he will take the war back at any time. And he says Mandodari that Shri Ramachandra is such a divine and great soul, and he is Paramatman himself, and Shri Rama is the only right person whom I can be defeated, and I have the complete satisfaction of being either defeated or getting samhara, because he is the only person who has that yogyata. Even Ravana in his last days lost himself towards the Avatara Purushottama Sri Ramachandra. O Paramatman, now we all are waiting for you to do the Mangala Shasanam and to do the Suprabhata Seva. So, O Jagat Prabhu, wake up and give us darshan. This is the snippet of 21st Pashuram. Let us get to today's Pashuram. Angan Manyalat Arashar. Here, all those kings of kings, and all the other head of the states are present. And all those states, as already told in the previous Pashura, they all are lost their wars and have come and waiting underneath. All those rajas are coming and waiting for the Chakravarti Shri Krishna Paramatma to come out. Angan Manyalat Arashar Abhimana Bangamai Vandu Nin Pallikattil Kile. They are waiting just like dasas. They are just waiting like servants for the Chakravarti Shri Krishna Paramatma to come out. Shangamiruppar pol Vandu Talai Peidom. Here, not only the Shatrus who turn towards Bhaktas or the enemies who turn towards Krishna Bhaktas, not just them, but here the Andal Goshti and Bhagavatas are also waiting for the Shriyapati to give darshana. Vandu Talai Peidom means they are telling that we are waiting for your darshana. Kinkini Vaisheda Tamarai Pupole. If we are aware about the Bharatanatyam jingles which the dancers wear it to their ankles, just like those small jingles which produce the sound jhal jhal, it is called, if the mouth is bigger, the money inside will fall out, and if it is too small, it won't emit the sound at all. Just like that, Paramatma Kinkini Vaisheda Tamarai Pole, like a blossoming lotus, minuscule by minuscule, open your eyes. Shengan Shiruchirudi Yemmel Viliyavo. Arunavarna, Khagavarna. When the sun rises, when the Surya Deva rises, how pleasant that looks. The same way, O Paramatma, Shengan Shiruchiridi. So be very soft on us. Shengan Shiruchiridi Yemmel Viliyavo. You're opening the eyes with complete Karuna and Kripa Kataksha. Tingalum Adityanum Yelandar Pol. As your one eye is Surya and other eye is Chandra. Surya Chandraucha Netre is what Purana says. Angan Irandum Konde Yengal Mel Nokkudiyel. Give us the complete grace of opening your eyes a little by little so that we the bhaktas, we have all kind of ayarpadi sakhis who can stage by stage understand and take your ultimate consciousness towards us. O Paramatma, bless us. Angan irandum konde yengal mel nokku. Yengal mel shabam ilinde. Sarva dharman parityajya mamekam sharanam vraja aham tva sarva papebhyo mokshayishyami mashuchaha. This is what Sri Krishna Paramatma in the Gitopadesha has conveyed towards Arjuna. And if we see, Sri Krishna Paramatma thrice mentions that mashuchaha, mashuchaha, mashuchaha. Don't worry about any of the papa prajna. Behind each and every action you're doing, I am the karya, kartra, nimitta and everything. Don't keep the karma phalapeksha, without the fruit or without thinking that where you will get the papa. Just do your actions according to your dharma, according to your duty, and everything else I will take care, is what Krishna says. Let us do the Anusandhanam of today's Pashuram once again. Angan Manyalat Arashar Abhimana Bangamai Vand Nin Pallikattil Kile Shangamiruppar Pol Vand Talai Peidom Kingini Vaishaida Tamarai Pu Pole Shengan Shiruchiridi Yemmel Viliyavo Tingalum Adityanum Yelandar Pol Angan Irendum Konde Yengal Mel Nokkudiyel Yengal Mel Shabam Ilinde Elor Empavai. If you do this, then our nonbe will get towards the completion. So please give your Karuna Kataksha, opening your dear and lotus eyes, is what Ayarpadi Sakhis in the presence and leadership of Andal Tayar is asking. Mangalam Kosalendraya Mahaniya Gunatmane Chakravarti Tanojaya Sarvabhaumaya Mangalam.
Hope all are enjoying Adhyatma Sudha, the spiritual nectar. Priya Bandhu, be generous. Subscribe, like and share to enlighten. Dhanyavad.